Number what?
Appetizer.
Wait lang.
Ryan.
What are you?
Group 2.
Uy, Troyan mo lang.
Grabe yan siya.
Group 2,
It's your
okay.
trial.
Okay, next.
Stress. Stress. Dessert.
Dessert. Okay, number 3. Okay. Joke lang.
Ay, nasa bahay.
May space yan.
Oh, may space. 2 words yan, 2 words.
Service charge.
Ah!
2 points yun. Dalawang word yun. Nakita ko yun.
Ano kayo? Ano kayo? Ano nga kayo? Wait lang, ano kayo? 2.
Okay lang yan. 2-1.
Okay, 2-1.
Service
Service charge. Ayun na.
Front desk.
Yes, front desk. Okay. Tay na, tay.
Ikaw na.
Kasi kukunin ko yan nandun sa bahay.
Smoke person? Hindi.
Sila ano?
Hagupit.
Hagupit. Lang din. Ano yan?
First letter. H.
Mansion?
Kulang. No, there's not kulang. It's actually right.
Definition. Yeah.
Huh?
You have to give us a definition.
It is where it's a person actually. I mean,
Hotel manager.
they keep the things. Housekeeper.
Hindi.
Walang
It's
R.
almost there.
Almost there.
It's not the person.
It's
but
not the person
one
pala
that the
actually.
person does.
The one, yeah. The one, ano ba? The one the person does the...
Housekeeping?
Yeah.
Yes! 3, 2. Okay, sinabi po kanina. Housekeeper, ang sabi mo po.
Housekeeper?
Okay, next. Hospitality.
Hospitality.
Ano kayo, group
Si
1?
Vincent naman. Si Vincent, ikaw na.
Okay.
Treasurer. Restaurant.
Ano yan, group 1? Group 1, right? Okay.
Ay, nasagot. May group to May group to. Management. Wala nang linya-linya ko. Management.
Tama.
Individual na lang.
Okay.
Tapos na?
Okay, we're done.
Sigurado.
The winner is group 1. Yay! Yes. Tapos na.